Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to set up your Blink outdoor video camera that syncs with your sync module. It's a really nifty little camera. We've had a good experience with it so far. Just wanted to show you how to get it set up and how to sync it with your existing module if you already have Blink cameras in your home. So to go ahead and unbox it, we'll go ahead and do that now. The camera comes with an instruction manual here. You've got some batteries, the camera itself, and this is a key to get the back of the camera open. And then it comes with a mounting bracket there that you can use to install the camera outside of your home. So now to add our new Blink outdoor camera, what we're going to want to do is open the Blink app. And we've got some existing views here. So what we'll want to do is we're going to go ahead and just pop the back off of the camera here. It's just a little rubber button. So you just take that off. And then now you'll see it exposes us to the back screw. We'll just use the tool that they gave us to go ahead and open it up. So we've gone ahead and done that. We've loosened it up, unscrewed it, and then you'll feel that the back should just pop off here. And you can just pop it off. All right, so now that we have the Blink app open, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna go ahead and put the batteries into the camera here. So these are the batteries that just came with it. They're just some standard AA batteries. So now that they're in, what we're gonna wanna do is on our Blink app, we're just gonna hit the plus button. And then we're adding a wireless camera. It's gonna give you a couple different options if you're trying to add some other devices, but we're gonna do a wireless camera. And you'll see here, that is where the QR code is. So we'll just go ahead and take our phone here. And you just hit that QR image, and then it'll ask you which module you want to link it to. So we're going to do our home module, and then we're going to hit continue here. So currently it's armed, so it's going to ask if you want to disarm it, and we'll just go ahead and say yes. This will just be a temporary setting. You're just going to try and find it and sync to it, and then it's just giving us some advice when we position the camera, things that we want to avoid. So, you know, the sun and trees and other things that might alter the quality or, you know, the content of our videos. So it's going to take a minute. It's going to sit and sync and try and find our camera to add here after we scan that QR code. So again, it's just going to take a couple minutes to update some firmware and some other things and get it all synced. So we'll give it a minute to do that. All right. So we got confirmation that the camera has been added successfully. So we're gonna hit next. With the new camera, it kind of gives us a 30-day free trial of the Blink Plus plan, so it's just gonna store everything in the web. We have a memory card in our home module to record all of our videos. That's what we've decided to do. You can go ahead and check out our other video on how to do that. But for now, we're just gonna hit next. You wanna go the route where you store everything in the cloud. You know, that's kind of what this Plus plan is, but we're gonna go ahead and just kind of skip it. And then we can scroll down here and you can see that it's added the camera to our home module. So it's just as easy as that. I mean, it really is very simple. We're gonna hit play, see if we can get a live video from our camera. And sometimes it might take a minute to get that first shot. It seemed like it synced, so now you can see we're getting the live video from our new camera into the bottom of the box here. So it looks like it worked out great. And so now we can see that it's synced. It kind of gives us this long name here. If you want, you can go in and change the name. So if we wanted to, we could go in here, click on name, manually go in and type something new. So something that I recommend doing just to make it a little easier so you know which camera is capturing what. But again, that's really all there is to it. You just go ahead and throw the back cover back on, and then you can use this little device that they give you to screw the back on. And so a little easier with two hands, but I'll go ahead and tighten it on. And then once that's on, all you have to do is put this little rubber cap back in there, and you should be good to go. Or if you're ready to just throw it on the mount. Again, please let us know if you have any questions or concerns with your Blink outdoor camera. Please subscribe to Big Auto Repairs. Thanks and have a great day.